Hey everyone, I am so excited about bringing you a new class in 2024 called Maximizing Profits Through Buyer Agency Representation. I have now been working on buyer agency representation for the last 21 years as an accredited buyer's representative. My first year in real estate, I did 45 transactions, all buyer agency relationship transactions. So this course will show you how every buyer would be crazy not to sign a buyer's representation agreement with you. We're going to talk about the relationship. We're going to talk about the expectations. We are going to show your value within the presentations. We will start by going through the buyer representation agreement line by line and how to fill it out and effectively present it so that you get it signed each and every time. Throughout this course, we're going to be building our buyer presentation, and we will be role-playing buyer presentations to effectively communicate to the buyers the value of you, the agent. So I am looking forward to teaching this class in 2024 and hope you bring me into your market center to do so. Have a great day. Have a fantastic year, and looking forward to seeing you in 2024.